Hi, my name is Lee Cowden. I'm an attorney with Vermillion Law, and we have offices in Maryville and Knoxville, Tennessee, and Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. Today, we're going to do a little Q&A, and I have not had any advanced look at these questions, so these are my off-the-cuff answers, and I've got Hannah off camera who's going to ask the questions.
Would you rather leave money with strict conditions like graduate college or stay sober, or just trust them completely to handle it?
Another question that has the "it depends" answer on it, but I will say that a good estate plan does take into consideration concerns for people who are vulnerable or who have harmful habits. So the things that come up for me as an attorney that I advise my clients about include drug dependency and alcohol dependency, first of all. People who have these issues, when they receive a lump sum of money, can put themselves into a very dire situation. Overdosing is a problem for people who have dependency problems, and sometimes the thing that stops a person from overdosing is lack of funds. So handing somebody a large inheritance who has a problem like that can be deadly. In that case, I say, let's put some throttles on that inheritance and make sure they're receiving money for the things they need in life, like health, education, food, clothing, shelter, but maybe let's not give them a lump sum of cash that could get them into a lot of trouble. Another issue we see is people with mental illness. If somebody has mental illness where they detach from reality, that person usually cannot handle having a large sum of money. It will be gone very quickly, or they will be taken advantage of by somebody, or they can put themselves again into a dangerous situation. The other situation we look at sometimes is minor children or people not yet of a certain age. When I ask my clients at what age do you think a person can handle getting an outright inheritance, they usually say either 25 years old or 30 years old, based on personal experience or based on the children they have. And I would say that for my own family, that's about right too. The age of 25 is where I would feel comfortable with any of my children receiving an outright inheritance. And that is because personally, when I was 22, 21 years old, I was doing a lot of things I probably shouldn't have been doing. And if I had a lot of money, I would have blown most of it. So 25 or 30 years old, most people are settling down, thinking about buying a house, and aren't spending money like it's water any longer. So that is why we usually recommend, if it's going to a young person, that we put some sort of throttle on it. Make sure they can have access to the money for the things they need, but not free reign.